Hi everybody, we're at John Sadler's Auto Repair. We have a 1991 Ford F-150 with a 5.8 liter. The customer is concerned if it has a little hunting, sputtering, the idle will go up, it'll go down, it'll almost want to stall when they turn a corner. We checked out the ignition system with the scan tool and everything. All of that stuff's checked out fine, there's no codes anywhere. He's changed a lot of ignition parts, throttle position sensor, EGR valve, things like that. So one of the things we wanted to rule out was the fuel pressure, and I'll show you what we came up with for that. So these have a test port right on the fuel rail. There's a Schrader valve, just like a tire pressure valve, and it's right there where my finger is. And here's our fuel pressure gauge, and we have like 34 psi at idle. Then when we pick up the RPM, there's a fuel pressure regulator back here. It works on vacuum, so as the vacuum drops, the fuel pressure should increase. So what we're going to do now is we're going to give it some acceleration with the gauge on there and see what we get. So see how we give it a throttle snap, so we're 34 and we're going up to 40. So that fuel system has the right amount of pressure. The fuel pressure regulator is doing its job. It's increasing the fuel pressure as more load, if the engine needs more load, or the engine has more load, it needs more fuel pressure. So we'll show one more time. So that system is functioning properly. Sometimes too, they'll leak gas out of them. So you can take the vacuum hose off and you can look for gasoline there, and then I don't see any gasoline at all. So that takes care of that test. We know we don't have a fuel pressure problem. We know that the regulator is working. We know it's not having fuel coming up the vacuum hose from the diaphragm of the regulator, going to the intake manifold. And now we're going to go ahead and do a fuel injection cleaning service on it. Thank you very much. Have a great day, everyone.